No, you in front. There it is.
Yeah, there's people. Is there too many people in this son of a bitch? Ow!
Oh, bite my foot. Come on.
This is running like these mazes. People are going so slow.
Well, we're not running through the maze.
I know, but it's just. Yeah.
Maybe there's only one way.
Yes.
Oh wait. Which is
Come
the
on.
exit? That's the exit and the
It's the entrance and the exit because people came out of it, right?
This is.
Oh, it says it's 21.
Wait a minute. Hey, let's get back here.
Huh?
It says a 21 on it.
Oh, here we go. The first.
Okay, which
Left.
way do we go? That way or
Left.
that? I think let's follow Daddy and Hedda. Because we don't want to get lost. Which way is the out?
This is where I want the mazes.
I think you have to run it back into the light from the sun takes 8 blank to reach Earth. Hey, hold on a second, Sam.
What?
Earth is a planet, B asteroid, or C star.
What is Earth?
Which is it, Ronnie?
Come on!
Get lost? Stop! You gotta hold on a minute. We're trying to have fun, not
Well, I
rush
am.
through it. It's not a race. Do you have the map?
Daddy, do you have the map? Oh, you do.
Come on!
We have to follow you because I'm scared of you.
Let's see, I just hope I don't know where I'm going. I need the map.
Yeah, and he's leaving without us.
Let's go that way.
We're going to damn dead end, hell.
Oh, we'll figure it out. It's fun for me. It's not a competition.
Yeah?
Oh, there they
Come on.
Yeah, we were right. We were going right into
Not yet. The corn maze. Shit, I'm gonna spell my ass. There's a dead end. Oh, dead end. First dead end.
Wrong turn.
First dead end.
Dead end.
Oh no. You know where we're at, do you? You're nasty.
It was
Sam farting. Middle of the
Oh
corn
my
maze.
god, I almost destroyed that. Oh my god.
Uh-oh. Another question. Earth's tallest mountain. Which is it? Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount McKinley, or Mount Everest?
Mount Everest.
Correct.
Yes.
Where's the answer? There aren't any.
I don't know. My poopies.
Oh, this is so easy.
Yeah, fart again, damn it.
Really,
Trying to be
stop it.
quiet.
Is that why you wanted to rush through the corn maze so you could shit yourself? Which way?
No! I don't know. Let's go this way. Everybody's going this way.
Daddy,
Fine. Man, come on. God damn it. See, this is why I don't like doing this shit.
Stop.
Ooh, we're going to get you in the head butt.
It leads to the same direction, you
Oh.
nut. He wants to go the opposite way. Let him. They'll catch up.
Man, we're going to get lost in this motherfucker.
Only because you're whiny.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, quit it, you big old poop.
I'm scared. Go this way.
Alright, guys, we gotta go this way. We're approaching another.
What? Huh? What do you say? Oh well, just enjoy it. Dead end probably, but oh well. Yeah.
This way.
Oh yeah, go over there. I'll be over there in a minute. Yeah. Ooh, there she goes, Mrs. Red Bottom.
Volcano!
Yeah, correct.
That's so easy. No. That was that.
Mm.
Hey!
Calm down.
Come on, Anna, let's go.
Anna, who's Anna?
Nana.
Oh wait. What the heck was that? That one, yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's not a race.
People. That way.
They already beat you anyway.
Thank you. I see green grass.
Oh, I'm thirsty.
I see.
Well, we'll remember to get a drink when we get out of here because it's a long ass line. Oh, what's the people?
Oh no, is this the end of the line?
Um,
I think somebody made it. I think somebody made it.
Yep.
Wow, this is not supposed to be
Damn it.
a dead end. Somebody made a line through there.
Now, how do you want to get over there?
That's a
Back over here?
They made that. They were supposed to cut things off.
Yeah.
That looks like a shortcut. Kind of looks like a shortcut.
Okay, there's people over here. All right, good. I think this is it.
Okay, I'll go. We'll split.
No, we ain't splitting this shit. Damn it.
Stop.
What? I'm not trying, nigga.
You're the one literally throwing a temper tantrum over.
I'm not. Look, there's the other one.
Oh, another one.
Yeah, number
When
4.
the ground shakes, it's called a plate shift, earthquake.
Earthquake.
Yeah.
A person who studies earthquakes.
Oh, and again.
We're gonna be here for a while. No, it's a dead end.
Uh-oh, we're coming across another sign.
See, we need that paper, damn it. You're not even using the paper. I don't know where we're even at. We're supposed to be
I
looking-
don't either. I haven't got a clue.
Question. That's a question, Lily. Earth is the blank.
I don't know where we're at.
Larger Earth.
Doctor,
No.
what's that?
Which one's bigger?
Ronnie.
Is Earth the same size, smaller than, or larger than Jupiter?
I
Jupiter.
Earth is larger than the planet Jupiter.
No. Jupiter's
Oh.
the biggest one. Jupiter's the largest.
No, that one's large.
Sorry, I had to pop my femur back.
I don't know where we're supposed to go.
That's a dead end.
Well, there's someone. Ronnie, you don't need the map because you don't.
I need a map.
No, you don't because you don't know where we're going.
No, there's a path.
There's the path. 6.
Your dad's afraid he's never gonna get out of here if he gets in that. He'll be
Just
lost
give it
forever.
here. Just give it to him. I don't give a damn.
Map. I need a map.
Where are we at?
Mm-hmm.
6 is up there.
All right, let's just take a break here.